In this video, I'll tell you how you can edit money, coins, gems, or other values in Amazon's vs. Zombies using Cheat Engine. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, you'll need Cheat Engine installed on your computer. You'll find the download link and installation tutorial in the description. Launch Amazon's vs. Zombies and make sure the game is running before opening Cheat Engine. For this demonstration, I'll be using Greenfield Valley because Amazon's vs. Zombies isn't suitable to show directly on this platform, but the method works in a very similar way. Open Cheat Engine, select the game process, change value type to all, and enter the exact amount of the resource you want to modify. Click First Scan and wait for the results. After that, return to the game and make the value change. If you're editing money, spend some or earn more. Then go back to Cheat Engine, enter the new value, and click Next Scan. Continue narrowing down the results until only a small number of addresses remain. Double-click the correct address or edit it manually and enter the amount you want. Some values refresh immediately, while others require another action in-game before the new amount appears. Once you understand the process, you'll be able to search for many different numerical values using the same method. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.